Welcome back to the channel. Quite a nice sunny day today. Today I'm doing something, but be in the shade, that I haven't done since I bought the car. I bought the car in April. I got the car delivered, the Mini, and then to be honest, I didn't bother even to check anything in the car when I bought it, because I already paid for it, so might as well just keep it. One thing I didn't do, was look under the bonnet. I didn't look under the bonnet, and today, believe it or not, since I got the car in April, is the first time I'm checking it out. I just managed to learn how to open. Like I said, I never opened, so I didn't know how to open the bonnet. So it's a bit sunny. So let's have a look what is inside. There we go. It's a bit rust everywhere, as I was expecting anyway. It's a bit of a mess. Yeah, it looked like it had 4 new spark plugs. It is leaking, so that's something obviously we're gonna have a look at. I definitely don't like this. Whatever they did there to there, just I don't like that. I don't know if he's got any coolant, because nothing works in this car. Yeah, there's no freaking coolant in there. Well, there's nothing inside there. It's completely empty. No wonder he's overheating a little bit. But yeah, fuel is okay. That the wiper doesn't work. The electrics looks a mess. This definitely not supposed to be hanging there. That's off the wipers. Wiper bottle. Bloody hell. Yeah. So all this electrics need to go. So yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of work to do. So the plan, well, I don't know what the plan is still, but I don't know if that radiator is leaking, but it definitely is not the best condition. Definitely needs a new one. So yeah, there's a lot of work to do on that engine bay. So well, the point is definitely is going to be strip the car down anyway, see if any hidden rusty, whatever need to be done. Obviously we're going to do. The motor definitely will come out. Subframes you need to come out as well. Let's see how we go. So like I said, keep following us. Like I said, my mate doesn't know yet about the car, but we're gonna make something nice out of this, hopefully. Okay, here we go. See you next time. Bye.